How's it, CHOMS? And welcome back. A lot of times when we talk about hot sauces, the Scoville rating is what's so impressive to most people. 12 million, 14 million, the outrageous numbers that give you the outrageous burns, make you black out, that kind of thing. This sauce is no exception. This is called Fiery Fool. And thanks to Sheldon, who sent this to me as a gift. Not sponsored. So on the label it says it's the hottest sauce in the world without extract. Why is that important? It means that everything in here is natural. When a sauce is hot because of an extract, it means that it's been purified down to...
chemical?
No, it's like a crystal. So the more pure the crystal is, the higher the burn is. That burn usually goes from like 1 mil and then just gets outrageous. The important thing here is it's a crystallization process where they extract just the burn. And that's why with Satan's Blood and with something like Regret, with the Bomb, those kind of sauces that rely on the extract, it's less about what chilies are in there and more about what's the big number on the bottle. This worries me because there are so many chilies in here. I'm not even gonna, there's nothing to read on this label. There's no story. It's literally just Primo 7 Pot, Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Scorpion, and Bhut Jolokia, the ghost pepper. That's what's in here. This sauce brings some serious heat and is not for the faint-hearted. Great for cooking, goes on anything, use caution and enjoy. That's also why extract sauces come with a disclaimer about, as a user, please be aware that you can cause yourself injury. And that's why the cramps are so prevalent when it comes to eating extract sauces, and why you'll probably black out if you muck around with them too much. Guess who did that? What I like about it, and what looks... It's a very, very thick sauce, as you can see. You can see it's not very runny at all. It looks like it's just chili mash in there,
yeah,
in the neck of this bottle.
They just blended it, pips and all.
It smells like old socks. Yeah. We're using the corn nuggies, again, as the vehicle for this violence that we're about to... That's enough.
I mean, that's not a teaspoon.
That is...
No, don't overdo it. I'm just...
No, well, now we've got to put a teaspoon's worth here. If I don't put a teaspoon here, Sheldon's going to be in the comments telling me that I didn't do it properly and then I'm going to do it again. That's about a teaspoon's worth. The hottest sauce in the world without extract. The Fiery Fool. Cheers.
Did the bottle do that? Just a young...
It really, when you eat it, it tastes like tomato almost, and the heat just starts in the front of your mouth and just, it's like somebody's just pushing their hand down your throat. I don't know how to put this, it definitely feels like my mouth is burning. My mouth is definitely burning, but just my tongue. With extract sauces, I'm always feels like my teeth are melting, it hurts my teeth the way that it burns. Because this is a natural sauce, it's literally just affecting my taste buds. So it's literally just burning my tongue. My mouth is fine, but it's a serious burn. This will, I don't know if this is the Iron Mike of hot sauces. An extract sauce, I think, starts a lot hotter. And the thing is with an extract sauce is where it touches, it burns. Because it's crystallized and it's a chemical compound. So where it touches is where it activates. With this, it feels more like where you taste it is where it starts to burn. And that's what's coming through. It's actually a really nice sauce if you enjoy stronger sauces. Total transparency here, I was actually quite afraid of this sauce because of what's written on the bottle. But if you can handle a burn, this isn't going to knock you, it's not going to floor you. But this is actually a really, really great sauce. I want to have more, but I just Not bad. Choke me, Daddy. Yeah, this is... So it's got a good...
They're chunky.
Yeah, no, it's got a good... What I like is that it's got a very good viscosity. It's very pulpy, which is... That's where all that flavor comes through when you first put it in your mouth. And you can see the pips. And you can see, like, even in the neck of the bottle, you can see, like, little bits of, like, the chili's flesh where it's been, like, blended up. You can see that. And like I said, it's really thick. And it's just like, damn, boy! It's got the familiarity of, like, Vindaloo curry. Like, that kind of flavor to the burn. Like I said, if you're a chili head and you like stuff to be quite hot, 7 CHOMS.